You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After a prolonged weekend in connection with the celebration of Independence Day, all attention will be focused on inflation in the United States. Indeed, last week investors again received confirmation of a moderate cooling in the labor market. Therefore, a slowdown in inflation will significantly increase the likelihood of a reduction in the key interest rate in September. Despite the fact that the week was short, representatives of the Federal Reserve drew our attention several times to a moderate slowdown in inflation. This is another factor that increases the likelihood of a reduction in the key interest rate by the American regulator. But if the June Consumer Price Index collapses more than forecast, it will be possible to talk about the Fed's willingness to lower the rate in September. Any, even if not very strong, increase in the probability of a key interest rate cut in September will contribute to the strengthening of the US dollar in pair with most currencies. Indeed, in this case, the demand for US government bonds will begin to decline, thereby reducing interest in the US currency. But let me remind you once again that only a significant decrease in inflation can be a sufficient reason to lower the key interest rate in September. This release is scheduled for Thursday, therefore, the first 3 trading days of the week may be busy. After all, investors and traders will try to determine the Fed's willingness to ease monetary policy at the end of the third quarter of this year. Shifting to the black gold market, I note the weakness of buyers, which may also be due to incoming statistics from the United States. The moderate cooling of the labor market is an important characteristic indicating a weakening slowdown in the world's largest economy, which remains the largest consumer of oil. But there are no sales either, because there has been no significant improvement in the situation in the Middle East. Also, the summer holiday season in the United States still contributes to the formation of high demand for oil. In conclusion, let's talk about the cryptocurrency market, which is repainted in bright red. It is noteworthy that the 3 largest Bitcoin ETFs have turned negative. The outflow of capital from investment funds indicates profit taking on previously opened purchase transactions. However, the question is the current decline a correction or the beginning of another bearish wave? The probability of a negative scenario will increase significantly if the quotes of the largest cryptocurrency do not return above $60,000 in the near future. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.